Hey guys, we're gonna go get Blue Bulls.
Yes, so excited.
So excited. It's gonna be the best LA experience. Blue Bulls.
Yummy, yummy.
Yummy, yummy.
Go back in like this place?
No, it's just recording. Wait. Yeah, matcha.
What?
Yeah, in Berkeley. Do you have? What? Wait, that's crazy. It's like so many neon colors. They have all the colors. Oh my god. Buy 2 get 1 free sunglasses.
What is that? Chanel?
Chanel, Prada, Louis Vuitton. So cute. Trader Home. Hey guys. We're going to Irvine Spectrum. 4:46 p.m. and we're gonna head over to Irvine. Wait.
I can't see it.
We just went to Garage and I copped. We're gonna go to Miniso now.
So cute.
Oh my god. I love the cinnamon roll.
I like that. Yeah. It's cute. Potato.
Yeah.
I'm sorry. It's not long. Whoa.
I don't know.
I think it was like that one. That was the weirdest one.
So nice. Wait, that's a cute bag. Yeah. So cute. Bro, it's probably like less than 10, I'm gonna think.
It's 10.
Oh my god, that's crazy. I predicted that.
I always think every Sagittarius is a little. Thank you, Emily.
She's driving.
Wait, oh, no. They're still knocked out.
We're at. It is. What do you want to say?
We're at Universal Studios today.
Waiting in line.
The traffic was heinous, but we made it.
Yes. It's currently 8:51.
Please have payment ready.
Oh. How much is it? Bye bye guys. Bye. Are you excited, Vicky?
Yeah.
So excited.
Yeah.
It's gonna be
Separated already.
yeah. We made it.
What are we doing? Are we still going? Excited.
We made it to Universal Studios. We're going to Mario World. The wait is really long. We're going now to Mario World. Okay, I'll take one. Rated out of 10.
8. It's new.
It was new.
Unexpected game.
Did not know what we were doing at first, but we worked it out.
Get caffeine now though.
Got my coffee. making the same face. It's so unplanned. Everything was unplanned. Yeah. Like that's crazy. No screenshots, guys. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna go on Jurassic Park. So funny. We're waiting in line. We have been waiting in line for at least 2 hours at this point. Oh my god.
More powerful than any creature that's ever lived. She's a bright force in the morning.
So fast.
Okay, today we are here at Universal Studios. We have Gwen, 𝐥𝐨𝐶, Dina Track, and Emily Yang. And we're losing our minds. Yeah, we've been stuck in line for 200 minutes. And we've been listening to this on repeat the entire time. And we're losing our minds and going crazy. I'm so tired. My legs are tired. I'm running out of water. I haven't eaten for a couple hours now. It's tough out here. We're literally at the lowest point of our lives. We're doing everything we can to survive. Stay tuned. We're facing a big one.
So it better be fucking worth it.
Yeah, you tell her.
Or else I want my money back.
Can we do a transition?
Yeah.
Okay, ready?
Oh my god. Your phone's up. Post Jurassic Park. Oh my god, we got so wet. My phone got wet too. Yeah. Backpack wet, everything wet. No, I'm so tired. I know. My butt is red. Show them. Show them. You can't. Look. I know you want to.
Just like a vanilla float.
I think I like the liquid one better.
Yeah,
really?
so too.
Yeah. It's like root beer too. Even though it's like more refreshing. What do you rate it?
Yeah.
7 out of 10. So nice. I rate it like 6.5. Honestly, I'm really satisfied. Loki at 7. 7? Yeah. It's okay. Everybody has different standards. But actually, no. I'm gonna give it a 9 because it used to have the logo on it.
From Back to the Future and its sequels. I got my start right here in New York on Saturday Night Live. This is right here on the Universal Metro sets. If you can make it here, you can make it anywhere. 3D immersive experience, so you're gonna have to have your glasses ready. Stones. And we have one of the 17.5 Ford Anglias used in Harry Potter and the Chamber of Secrets. That half car being the one they used solely to beat up the Whomping Willow. Tank from Transformers over on your left-hand side. You might notice there's something a little bit weird about it. That's actually because it has a plywood shell that they've painted. Looks like the dinosaurs may be inside of the mobile lab from the Lost World Jurassic Park. But once again, folks, we are safe here on this tram. Nothing to worry about.
Oh my god.
We have a lot of... Oh no. Don't worry, folks. That's just how they like to say hello. Don't forget to say hi back. Just maybe not on your neighbors.
Oh my god. 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 Oh. YouTube. Oh,
And I think that's enough rain for now. So on the count of 3, we're all gonna yell cut, okay? 1, 2, 3.
cut!
Huh. Let's try one more time a little bit louder, folks. 1, 2, 3.
Cut!
Oh no. No. That's
NBC's The Good Place. Now, as I'm sure you're probably already B7 starring Brandy and Whitney Houston. Some other things that also filmed out here in Birmingham include Buffy the Vampire Slayer. They filmed a lot of flashback scenes for the camping spot. George? Oh no. Not to alarm anyone, but it does appear that there is still a shark in the water. So everyone just sit tight. George? 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 You okay? You good? Are we still on for later? I'm gonna take that as a no. Alrighty folks, well, good news and bad news. The good news is I have an extra ticket to the movies tonight. The bad news is we have lost George. But you know what, it's not too late for us and that's what matters. So we're gonna hide behind these red barrels of gasoline for safety. It into small enough pieces so that they could transport it here on flatbed trucks. Now this is also a recreation of a real life neighborhood in New Jersey. They couldn't go to that real neighborhood in New Jersey and
Yeah.
Told my brothers one day we gon' make it.
Hey guys, it's 10:45 p.m. Universal closes at 10. But we literally waited in line for like an hour for the Simpsons ride. Yeah, it was like the craziest simulation ride ever.
Wait, this taxi's so cute.
So cute. We're gonna probably get Raising Cane's. Check in with you later. Yeah. Day 3, guys.
Day 3.
We're going to Davian Coffee.
It's like a Vietnamese coffee place, I think.
And then we're gonna get piercings.
Bro, me too.
Most of us, some of us are.
After,
We're gonna go to the Broad Museum.
hot day, but it's gonna be a fun day.
It's too easy, yeah. Baby, you know I'm a G. I got a double them C's. She wanna put it on me. Yeah. Used to sit inside my room, living through some interviews. Told my ass
I got the dirty matcha. She got
Howdy Ube.
What did you guys get?
It's a little hard.
I got just the regular matcha latte. I got the matcha latte with boba, but the boba's a little hard.
The matcha foam coffee.
Oh my gosh.
I like it. These are really good. We are here.
Okay, I'm doing this. Yeah, I'm just repiecing mine. Good? Just lying to my face. It's like you're prepping yourself for the next one. It's like
she's
it's
good.
coming right after.
That you're so brave. Good job.
How is it? Mine as well.
Got our piercings. Pain tolerance on the floor. Not even in the room. We didn't cry. Yeah. We can get food now.
put a spell on me. Ooh, they some wishes. That my baby, that my lady. Oh, and she going driving to the fucking mall. She like Rachel, but I ain't no Ross. I'm a god. That's on me. I got this shit on lock. It's appalling. How I get this shit just like Starling. So call me up some more. I'm going all in. Told my brothers one day we gon' make it. We just gotta grind for that paycheck. Mama told me one day I'll be famous. Remember when she used to say she hate this. Back then they would laugh when I say shit. Now I'm inside all them people's playlists. So one day I'll be stomping on them stages. But right now we just dancing in the basement. In the basement singing la 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 la, yeah. Made that ass drop, 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 yeah. Shawty give me talk, 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 yeah. Got me saying wah, 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 wah. In the basement singing la 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 la, yeah. Made that ass drop, 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 yeah. Shawty give me talk, 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 talk.
Oh, Lord. These are so
Girl, you're my energy. Use me up like a battery. Tell me that you're okay. I've been driving all day, yeah. Oh, you're my energy. All you gotta do.
Hey guys, today is Thursday. 11:43 a.m. and we're going to the beach. Cabo first, then we're gonna go to Laguna Beach, and then we're gonna hit up San Diego later today. It's so hot today, 80 degrees, but it's cool.
If we could run it, if we could run it back, and do you wonder? If we could run it back, if we could run it, if we could run it back, and do you wonder? If we could run it back.
We went to the water and we got splashed. Now we're tanning. So we went to the beach today and it was so fun. We're not gonna go to San Diego anymore because it's like way too late. It's like 4:46. It's so fun out here. Love the beach.
Then Buena Park.
We finished our beach day. Now we're going back because we have a meeting, but then we're gonna eat dinner at the source.
Girl, we didn't know how to move on. If we could run it, if we could run it back, and do you wonder? If we could run it back, if we could run it, if we could run it back, and do you wonder?
Free ice cream.
If we could run it, the things I did.
Hey guys, put up with me here again because I'm not filming an outro for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's definitely long overdue because I'm uploading this in August and this was literally a month ago. This is in July. And stay tuned for more fun vlogs to come because I'll be uploading some more last summer vlogs before the school year starts and I am going back to my daily productivity vlogs. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys so much and I'll see you guys next week for another banger. Bye guys.